If you do share, you receive a $25 customer acquisition bonus for each $30 per month share of a benefit product account. You may share with many. The ones you share with will fall on your first level if there is room. You can have only 3 on your first level, and then 7 on your second level, 9 on your second level at $7 per month. 63 per month, a total of 72 per month. And then $3 on each level down to the 7th level. And then below the 7th level, the company will be announcing other activities to come. If there is no room, they fall under someone on your second level to benefit them. That would be the first open spot left to right of one who has no one. Well, step-by-step, distributors are paid income from a 3x7 matrix, even if they don't share the $30 per month benefit product. The basic matrix is worth $118,000 per year when it is full. As we said, the residual earnings for the benefit product accounts is $3 per month for the 3 on level 1 and $7 per month for the 9 on level 2 and $3 per month, all those on level 3 to 7. A good building process is for a distributor to see the fill of a matrix like this with duplication of effort, each distributor doing their own small part. This is a process some distributors use. Ask to daily, then post on our Facebook account or text their sponsor that they completed the process that day. They ask one new person and one previous person to comment on one of the information videos, such as WSBSsizzle.com. So, when you get 3 distributors doing this simple task of asking 2 daily, and they each get their 3, then the residual income builds up. If it took a month to get your 3, and it took a month for each of them to get their 3, then in 7 months, you would be at $118,000 a year. This process is very simple and duplicatable. It is discussed at ask2daily.com. There are other ways for the matrix to fill. A builder could land on your first level by spill. The builder could also be someone who purchased the $30 per month benefit product from you. With the builder under you, they can fill a portion of your 3x7 matrix. This gives you residual earnings ranging from $9 per month with them on your 6th level on up to $3,291 per month with them on your 1st level. You earn this build under even if you share with no one. When the person above you, your parent, fills their 3x7, that fills your 3x6. With the 6th level, each getting 3 or more spill or build under, your 7th level will fill. This is how spill motivates a team. New successful shares fall under a downline distributor. That becomes their first upline parent. This generates $3 per month earnings to 6 upline parents and $7 per month to the second upline parent. The parents may become motivated by the residual income and go to work with the Ask To daily process. This provides more spill and motivation to parents in many lines. This is the pay cycle. The first month pays the customer acquisition bonus. When a distributor makes their second payment on up, you earn $3 per month or $7 per month for level 2. Commission payments are made between the 1st and the 10th of each month for the previous